You're watching Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This IPVanish VPN review reflects my personal experience using the product. In this in-depth exploration of IPVanish VPN, we'll delve into its features, assess its performance, and identify the users who would benefit most from its capabilities. For those interested in exploring IPVanish further, you'll find handy links to the product in the description below. IPVanish is a recognized and respected name in the VPN industry, providing a robust combination of privacy and performance features that make it an attractive option for a broad range of users. Let's begin by examining its core functionalities. IPVanish establishes a secure, encrypted connection utilizing robust AES-256 encryption, the gold standard in the industry. This encryption safeguards your internet traffic from prying eyes, whether they be hackers, internet service providers, or other third-party snoopers. Furthermore, IPVanish adheres to a strict no-logs policy, meaning they refrain from storing any information about your online activities, ensuring your privacy remains intact. Adding to its appeal, IPVanish boasts an extensive network of servers located in over 50 countries worldwide. This global coverage ensures consistently fast speeds, crucial for activities like streaming, gaming, and general web browsing. A particularly compelling feature of IPVanish is its unlimited device support. Unlike many VPN providers that restrict the number of simultaneous connections, IPVanish allows you to connect an unlimited number of devices. This makes it an exceptional choice for families or individuals who utilize multiple devices such as laptops, smartphones, and tablets. IPVanish also includes advanced features like split tunneling, enabling you to selectively route specific apps or websites through the VPN connection, and an automatic kill switch, which safeguards your data in the event of a VPN connection drop. In terms of performance, IPVanish delivers impressive speeds, making it a reliable choice for streaming high-definition content, engaging in online gaming, and downloading large files. It seamlessly integrates with popular streaming services like Netflix and other platforms, effectively bypassing geo-restrictions without any hiccups. IPVanish is an excellent solution for anyone seeking a dependable VPN with robust security features, high-speed performance, and the flexibility to connect multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you're a casual internet user, an avid streamer, or a digital security enthusiast, IPVanish provides exceptional value for your privacy and browsing needs. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information and to secure your subscription.